Alright, what's going on, guys? We're gonna install this quick adjust clutch lever on the KX. We bought it from Outlaw Racing Products, or well, I bought it off of Amazon for $20. I can link it below, but we'll just do that real quick. Whew. Okay. So pretty much all you gotta do is take off the old one, get the cable off, run the cable through and connect it to there, and tighten these two little thingies down. So crap. Well, we lost something. The little lock nut and the normal nut. But oh, there it is. Found a nut. No idea where the lock nut went, but I don't really need it, but might want to save that. So this can come out. So you want to take that out. Don't need that. Slide off your little rubber thing. Since this one already has one, I'm just gonna kind of rip this off. Pretty much what's gonna happen is you got this little groove right here that comes in. That's where you put the little cables. I'm just gonna let this hang and then get the other one installed and then just transfer the wire over. There you go. Alright, so you see this? We got the little back panel off. We're just kind of letting it hang right here. Here's your little cable. Then you're gonna want to take your new clutch and take off the little bolts on the sides right here. When you got, instead of just two metals, you have this little plastic thing in the middle, which I'm assuming if you want to put it on small handlebars, it'll fit. It fits around here, so you can stick that around. And we're gonna go ahead and get this. So we got that little black thing. We don't want our clutch to hit, you know, coming back. We don't want it to hit the edge, so. And it depends entirely what angle you. Alright, well the GoPro died, but we got this boy secured on there. Now what you're gonna need to do is take the cable out, run the cable through here, and then do that. Oh yeah, you just line these up through here like so. Get them all lined up. Pull your cable out of there just like that. And you move that all the way down. Take this thing and you line all these up. Take your cable, stick it through the middle of that. Then you twist them different directions like that. Then this is really convenient though too. This thing folds back. The rubber folds back so you can go like that. But then when we get under this, you're gonna have to like screw this screw in. I don't know if you can see that, but so forward is to tighten it, and then if you go towards you loosen it and you bring the screws closer together. So me being stupid, I accidentally forgot to put the little rubber back over. I just folded it out of the way. But you can actually unscrew it, so that's really nice. Pretty easy to install. And I like this clutch lever. So yeah, there you have it, guys. The quick adjuster. Works pretty cool. I'm gonna go ahead and start it up. See if I can fit this around without. Oh, really? Okay, let's see. What? No way. Bro, if this just solved the problem of me slipping out or not being able to get into neutral, I'm gonna literally, this will be super amazing. Ooh, that ginormous choke knob is amazing. Forgot to turn the fuel on. My bad. I knew something was running weird. But yeah. This clutch lever seems to be running pretty nice. See you in a bit.
Bring it right back to the ends and I'm back on the trends, but slow down shows how bad for revenge. I really wanna get it when I tap into the vision when I'm back on the raps on tracks like I am not one of you, they never heard of me. Path is not waiting, so do not refer to me. They gon' be feeling this for an eternity. Money, ridiculous, second absurdities.